What's going on, YouTube? Welcome again to another video. As you can see, I'm upgrading my moto vlog or helmet cam setup here. I already have the GoPro Hero 8 as you've seen on the previous videos. Not really, but in a little bit here and there I've been using it. As you can see here, this one is the media mod. This is my way of putting a microphone into the GoPro instead of having a huge microphone adapter somewhere down here or whatever. I have the purple Panda microphone with the wind deflector fur thing here, and I have it connected to. So they told me that this one has a 3-ring on it, and it will cause some issues with the GoPro. So you have to convert it to a 2-ring, which comes with the purple Panda microphone. As you can see there, it's a 2-ring, and that one goes to the back here. Simple as that. So what I'm experimenting on today is this MotoRadds GoPro mount. So this is not sponsored or anything at all. I bought this on my own. So I purchased some mounts with them and some joints. So all these three are on their website. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. This is a different way of mounting because I used the Dango design gripper mount before that's on the chin, but it's quite heavy because it's a bulky piece of attachment. So this one here, let's see how this goes. So there's a ridge here and a ridge on this side here. I don't know if you can see that right there. So I think you just kind of align it like that. Oh, it snapped into place. There you go. So do the same thing on the other side. So what I'm anticipating from this thing is that it could mount to any curvature of the helmet. As you can see there, it kind of adapts to see how it's really nice actually. So you can see it's all of it there. So all the attachment points completely solid. So let's just open this up. Let me get some alcohol pads and prep this thing. So they gave you alcohol pad right here, and I'm gonna open it up. Prep the surface so that it will stick really well. Just swipe the surface all the way around. So my dilemma is I have several helmets and I don't tour with this specific helmet all the time. Oh, so it's just, I don't know the solution for the other helmet, the modular ones, because, it's a modular. You can't just flip up your helmet when you have stuff like this installed to your face. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but at least this one, I want to have at least one helmet that's set up for the GoPro properly. Okay, so I purchased this U joint, J joint, whatever. So it's supposed to go like this. So I guess I'm gonna mount it this way. All right, guys, I had to do that off camera because I want to make sure I have it straight on there. I could have gotten away with putting it down a little bit more, but this is okay. It doesn't adhere with my controls for the vents. So I'm gonna put the GoPro now on the J hook mount. And it just attaches downwards like this. There. So I guess if I want to angle it up more, I'll use these extra connections here. I think I might do that because if you look, it's pointed down. So I might actually do that. Add one more joint, just a small one, I think. You can probably make it more elegant by putting screws in here instead of this thing, but this is just for a quick release setup. You can take your GoPro out whenever you want without tools. But yeah, it is looking a little funky here. But roughly that's what it looks like. It gives you a little bit more tilt, and with super view you'll most likely see everything already. So let's see where I can put my microphone in here now. All right, so here it is. It's a little wild looking. You got the GoPro, you got your microphone routed. It depends on your helmet really, but mine has some space to put it under the cheek pad here, and I'm just gonna clean this up and kind of tape it and tuck it away somewhere. But roughly, that's how it looks like. It's rough, but I think this is better than using the Dango designs for now. The Dango designs enables me to transfer the GoPro from helmet to helmet, but the way it mounts, it's just I'm kind of not liking it. So this one is right on my face more, and the angle is much better. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'll show you guys in a second what it looks like. So hopefully this sound clearer right now. So I had a couple of tries with this. So it's the MotoRadds chin mount, the GoPro Media Mod, and the Purple Panda microphone. So I have the 3.5 millimeter Purple Panda microphone attached to the Media Mod, and it comes with the dual ring, the 2-ring adapter. That's what you need to make it work with the Media Mod. So I want to give you guys some settings first so that this will work for you. So what's been happening with mine is I keep getting the crackling sound that no one really ever talks about. So the crackling noise could be in many factors. So but for this specific setup combination that I have here, the Media Mod is causing the issue because it has a built-in microphone. So what I've been doing lately is using my phone app to control my GoPro, and for some reason that solves the issue. So I think if you press the record button from the GoPro with the Media Mod, it activates the microphone on the Media Mod, you know, and it messes up all the microphone settings. So my microphone is set to standard mic plus because it's non-powered. It's just a basic microphone. If your microphone has that switch on it, the turn it on and off, you need to use a different setting, powered mic or something. But this is standard mic plus. I also changed a couple settings that I don't think it's related, because if you remove your microphone, your external microphone, you have an option on Pro Tune settings to choose the wind deflection and also the wind reduction, and also the microphone like stereo or something like that. So I left it on stereo, and I left the wind protection to off because I don't need it. But I don't think you need to change that, because as soon as you connect your external microphone into the Media Mod, it disables those two settings. So it looks like they're just, if you're running the Media Mod microphone, I think that's just for those. But I changed them anyway, just, you know, for peace of mind, so because I was playing with all the settings to make sure nothing else is messing up my mic. But I think the main issue was when you press the button on the Media Mod to record, it messes up it turns on the microphone on the Media Mod. So for now, my workaround is using my phone. So I just want to get that out of the way. And then I'll show you guys some ride, because as soon as I ride like 20 miles per hour or something like that, the microphone just starts to crackle, and it's horrible. So let's go. Yeah, so it took me like 2 to 3 tries trying to record this thing, and I keep coming back home with like super messed up audio, and it sucks. So I figured it out this time. I recorded it again. I think the sound quality is pretty damn good on the Purple Panda, to be honest. And it comes with a built-in wind deflector, you know, the furry thing. So I like it. I love it for the price. I mean, it's 40 bucks, a little high. The microphone I've been using with the GoPro Hero 4 was like $1. It's like so cheap. Like, it's not even like, you know, I buy like 5 of them in case one breaks. So this one I only have one. So if it ever breaks, I have to wait and buy another one. They gotta update that firmware or something. It's causing that issue. It's a very, I guess no one really has spoken about it, and it's not very common for some reason. But they have a feature where you're supposed to be able to just put a microphone on the Media Mod, and for some reason no one has noticed this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to get that out there. At least the settings is the main thing. Get the settings right, you know, so you can get this configuration working for you. But if the settings might apply to other configurations as well, as long as you're using the media mod, because the media mod does basically kind of affect how the GoPro works, because it's integrated into one unit now. So just keep that in mind. You have to use the GoPro app, but you know, it is what it is. Alright guys, hopefully you liked this one and it helped you, if anything. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.